Welcome to 422 Finsbury Road. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a 1-car garage sitting on a large wooded lot is located in the Coatesworth neighborhood in northwest Columbia, right near Irmo, near the intersection of St. Andrews and Lake Murray Boulevard. It's convenient to Harbison and also I-26 and Lake Murray, as well as Irmo and Columbia amenities as well. So we're out front in the front yard. You can see you have a large front yard here. The lot sort of slopes down towards the house. You have a driveway that can accommodate 2 cars. The garage itself is a 1-car garage, as noted by the 1 door, but it is wider than the actual door, so there is some additional space in there. You possibly could squeeze 2 vehicles in if you sort of wedge them in there. There's also a built-in workbench and a little bit of storage space in there also. So you can see the front yard here is nicely landscaped. You sort of have some rocks that kind of acts as retaining water, keeps probably some water from the front of the home. But you have a front stoop that you step up onto, and then we enter the home through the front door here. A little bit of vinyl flooring here in the entry, and then the home is carpeted mostly throughout in the living area and the bedrooms. There's a similar product flooring, the vinyl, in the kitchen, laundry room, and in the bedrooms. So you enter into the living room, which is a nice size. It opens up a little bit larger over here, has a ceiling fan, a few windows looking out towards the front. And then you have a big opening to the kitchen over here. Kitchen has an eat-in dining area. So you have some updated lighting in here. Nice size kitchen also. Included stainless steel, smooth top electric stove, dishwasher, and side-by-side refrigerator. There's an above the range microwave as well. Combination of sort of open and closed cabinets in here. There's a nice window looking out over the side of the house from here. And then you also do have a large laundry and mudroom. So you have full-size washer and dryer connections and some cabinets above on this side. Nice window in here looking out towards the back, and then also a ton of extra space in here. And it's also the access to the backyard and the garage itself, which there is no direct access to from the house. So you access the garage itself via that door on that side. And then over here to the left, you have the backyard. So you have a huge deck off the back of the house. And it is elevated, so again, the lot does slope down, but it overlooks the large wooded backyard. The fence line is right sort of behind that tree and goes back, but you do have a large backyard, and it is nice and wooded and shady back here. And then you have steps to go down to the backyard itself. And there also is, I believe, a walk-in height crawl space down there also. So go back inside and take a look at the rest of the home, bedrooms and bathrooms. So go back through the kitchen and living space. You can see back towards the front door there, sort of. And then right off the hall, off the living room, you have 3 bedrooms. The first is on your right here. It is a smaller room. All 3 rooms, I do believe, have ceiling fans. And you have a decent sized closet there. It does go back behind the door just a little bit. Coat closet here at the beginning of the hall also. There also is an attic pull down. Judging by the type of house, there's probably a good bit of attic space up there that you can store items. You have a full bathroom here off the hallway with a single vanity and shower and tub. Then your second bedroom, also with a ceiling fan. And this bedroom and that first one we looked at, they both do face the backyard. See the closet there. It does go back behind the door a little bit. They've updated some of the shelving in here too to double that up over what's usually in these type of homes. And then last but not least, you have your master suite, and it faces the front of the home. You have two closets, or rather two sets of closet doors. The closet itself is connected, so it sort of does continue through, but that does give you a bit of extra space. But you have the updated shelving in there for some additional hanging and shelf space also. And then last but not least, you have the full bathroom in the master. So you have a single vanity and a shower and tub in here. And both the showers and tubs are in tile. And then you have, again, your lighting, and then a nice window out to there as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 422 Finsbury Road in Northwest Columbia. It's pretty much in Irmo almost. It's right near the intersection again of St. Andrews and Lake Murray Boulevard. But you can find out more information on this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.